In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate an image or text inside of Photopea. So first you need to add your image. So here is the image in Photopea. As you can see, if we look at the layers tab, you can see here is the layer. Now what you would want to do is click on the layer and then click on transform controls. And once you do that, it will then select the image. Now if you go to any corner in the top right, you will see a curved arrow and you can click just anywhere on screen and you can then drag up or down and it's going to rotate your image and you can see the degrees you're rotating it here. So if you want to rotate it by 90 degrees or a very specific angle, you can do that. I will just go ahead and do it manually though to the number that you want. So we'll do 90 degrees and you can get this very precise. Now if you're on this video and you're like, that is not what I was looking for at all, then what you're looking for is image, transform and flip. That's what you're looking for. So I hope that was helpful. Those are two ways that you can rotate an image. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.